G'day everyone, I'm Jodie from Stay at Home Mum, and look what I've made this morning. These are Mars Bar chocolate crackle puddings, and they're really easy. I'm going to put the recipe in the comments below, but generally you need 2 Mars bars, some rice bubbles, a little bit of cocoa and some cream, and you melt it all together except for the cocoa pops, the rice bubbles, in a bain-marie, and then just mix them all together. Throw them into a grease tray and then either put them in the fridge for 2 hours, or I chucked them in the freezer for half an hour. And this is how they come out, and they're rather moorish and delicious. And to decorate, I'm just going to add a little bit of white chocolate. So I'll add that on. I'm not the neatest person in the world. Actually, I might try dipping them, hang on. So, yum. White chocolate's really nice. But I'm not known for my decorating skills. And then I bought some Christmas M&Ms, which I can't work out how to open. Oh, there we go. And then you just top them with either whatever colour you like, and then maybe that white chocolate's a little bit thick. Then you just plonk it back in the freezer for a couple of minutes for it to set. And they're really yummy and really easy, and plus you can freeze them. So you can make them now, chuck them in the freezer, and you can pull them out on Christmas Day, and they're really good for the kids to make too. Oh, I know that looks a bit mental, but they look much prettier in the picture, I can assure you, and they're bloody delicious. So go ahead and make them, a Merry Christmas everyone. I'll try it. Oh yeah, it's good. Bye.